Good morning, everybody. Okay, so you might be wondering what the heck we've been doing here. Me and my brother, we've been digging a hole. Yeah, a big old hole. Big hole with a firework in. Nah, so I'm just gonna hope that none of this gets set on fire. We plan to put a garden down. Yeah. This is going to work, yeah.
Okay, but that's not. I'm not asking if it's going to work or not.
What are you asking?
Are there safety precautions in this?
Yes, I have done that. So when we light this, immediately I'm gonna run away.
Okay.
So I put weights down so it doesn't fly out.
Okay.
Contain the explosion a bit. My hand is shaky because I'm pretty active. Oh dear. Oh, it's going. It's going. Why is it not going? Oh. They're not going to be very easy to land on. Well, I'm literally right at the fuse. If I die in this piece, rest in peace. It's not lighting on fire. Why not? Just gonna put it all down. Come on. I know you wanna. Okay. Ow, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, good thing none of this catching on fire. Oh, wow. That's smoke. Oh, that blasted open. Edward, no. Edward, hold the phone. Put that down. Edward, we just did a massive achievement.
Did it actually work?
Yes, it went boom. You can look down for yourself. It smells bad.
Ah, it smells like the toilet after Dutch uses it.
Wow, definitely. Oh, that's good. Hopefully it's ain't too hot.
Is it too hot though?
No, it's not.
I was literally in my room and I heard a loud boom.
Bang. Oh, there's the crater. And there's the remains of it.
Let me get water.
We have many. Give me your phone, Edward.
Can I get boiled water on it?
No phone.
No, I mean the water.
No, not the water. Oh, dear. Oh, my. We've made achievement. This will be known as the retirement home, Edward. Oh, dear.
This is like Oppenheimer or something.
Oppenheimer. I feel like we're Oppenheimer.
Okay, well,
Oh, don't do this at home, kids, by the way. Edward, say hi to the camera.
don't do this at home. We're professionally trained retarded people.
Retarded, autistic people.
Exactly.
Bye, everybody. Bye.